welcome for the love of food. It's almost Thanksgiving, and one of the things that I've really enjoyed doing is making a cranberry relish to serve at my Thanksgiving table. So if you don't want the cranberry sauce, the traditional sauce, and you're looking for a brighter, more modern taste, this will do it. All you need is cranberries, and we have our beautiful cranberries here. A couple of these little tangelos or mandarin oranges, or any of these little ones from the store. I find these are the best because they're sweet. And an apple. I'm using Macintosh, but use whatever apple you have in the house. I would think this could also be good with maybe Granny Smith, the green apple. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take our cranberries, peel our oranges, our tangelos. We're going to pop them into the trusty food processor, the apple, and not use the core. So we're just using the part of the apple you normally eat, which makes total sense, right? So we're going to go ahead and we'll do that, and we'll be back to show you when we put it all into the food processor. All right, so let's get started on our cranberry relish. For the purpose of today's video, I'm only going to make a half portion. Normally you'd use all 12 ounces of your berries. And that is, of course, if you want to make the full recipe. So therefore, I'm only going to use one of my oranges because I'm making a half portion. And as you can see, I've already peeled it. And I'm going to use half of the apple. We're just going to pop this all in here. And the one thing I didn't show you before was we're also going to add some sugar. I'm going to add in a half cup of sugar. And that's going to make this relish delicious. I'm going to try and go with a little less than a half cup just to see how it tastes. And then we can kind of go from there. So you can make this 10 minutes before Thanksgiving starts or 2 days ahead of time. It's entirely up to you. I like to have it the day of. I like this one to be nice and fresh. The cranberry sauce that I make, and we have the recipe on the website, that can be made a couple of days ahead of time. This one I like to save for the day of Thanksgiving. And the other reason is it smells so nice and fresh when you peel the oranges and you put it all together. All right, so let's just show you. We're going to pulse this. Let's just get a little spoon here. Take a look at what's happening. As you can see, everything is kind of coming together nicely. I'll show it to you. The sugar is still there, so I'm going to want to pulse it a few more times, but you can see it's becoming relish-like. Let's give it a little taste and see how that's coming. I actually like it with less sugar, and you could leave the sugar out of it if you want. If you really want it to be tart, the apple and the orange will provide plenty of sugar, and I don't think it needed a whole cup at all. So let's pulse this a few more times. And voila, there you have it, cranberry relish. I'll show you the finished product when it's in the bowl in the picture. Thanks for watching. For the love of food, how easy was that?